Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many iOS developers face when trying to customize their app's navigation bar appearance. If you've ever tried to use the UINavigationBarAppearance method in your code and encountered difficulties, then this video is for you. In this video, we'll explore what the UINavigationBarAppearance method is used for, why it might not be working as expected, and provide a step-by-step guide on how to successfully implement. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with iOS development, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to tackle this common problem. So, what is UINavigationBarAppearance in simple terms? It's a class that allows you to customize the appearance of your navigation bar in an iOS app. You can use it to change the background color, text color, and even add a custom image or title. However, some developers might find that they cannot use this method in their code. There could be several reasons for this issue. One common reason is that the UINavigationBarAppearance method is not being called on the correct instance of UNavigation control. Another reason could be that the navigation bar appearance is being overridden by another part of your app's code. To successfully use UINavigationBarAppearance, you need to follow a few key steps. First, make sure you're calling the standard appearance method on the correct instance of your navigation controller. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to get wrong, especially in complex apps with multiple navigation controllers. Next, ensure that you're not accidentally overriding the navigation bar appearance elsewhere in your code. This could be happening if you've set a custom appearance for the navigation bar in another part of your app. Finally, don't forget to configure the appearance correctly. This includes setting the background color, text color, and any other attributes you want to customize. So, what are the from this video first? Remember that UINavigationBarAppearance is a powerful tool for customizing your app's navigation bar. However, it needs to be used correctly. Second, make sure you're calling the standard appearance method on the correct instance of UNavigation controller. And third, ensure that you're not overriding the navigation bar appearance elsewhere in your code. That's all for this video. We hope this explanation has helped clarify how to use UINavigationBarAppearance successfully. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the points discussed, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iOS development tutorials and tips. And if you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with your fellow developers who might also be struggling with this issue. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.